What's up, guys? Alec here, Caliber Outdoors. We got Bucky Boy and Leslie here with us this morning, and we're back at the creek, and we're gonna pull that crawfish trap and see what we got in there. Let's get right to it. Oh, we got that looks like it's one of those striped little catfish. You want to see if we can catch this guy? He's hiding under that rock. We'll come back to that trap. Something's been eating one of those creek chubs. Let's see, he's under this flat rock right here. Let's see if y'all can see him. Well, I didn't get him, but maybe y'all can see what happened under there. Oh boy, let's see what's in this trap. Oh, look, there's at least a crawfish right there. Oh, yeah, there he is. Got one right in there. All right. Well, see what we can catch with that. There's our crawfish. He won't let go of the fish. As soon as he does, we'll get it, put it back out there. But he wants that fish. He's got that creek chub, 4 times as big as he is. But he ate that little one. We're gonna get that bait in there, keep him, put it back in there. We'll come check it after school, little man. Come on, buddy, drop it. He's got both pinchers on it. Wow, look at that, guys. He's got double holding it. Let go, buddy. Come on, one more. There we go. All right, guys. We'll close this up. He's gonna try to hide for a second. He's not getting away, but we're gonna throw it back in there. We'll bring it back. Alrighty, guys. Well, there's our catch. One little crawfish, perfect bait size. I think anything will fit him in his mouth and suck him up. But we got our other creek chub back in there. We're gonna throw it back out there. We're gonna go a little bit farther down, maybe into the hole. See if we have any better luck. Maybe catch a couple more. Try over here. There we go. That one's gonna I'm gonna have to get a little wet to get that one, but it'll be worth it. That water's pretty cold, but for a couple of these guys and maybe some fresh bait, good video.
Worth it.
We'll get in there. But we'll throw him in our pocket, get him in some water at the house. I didn't bring a bucket or anything with me, but we'll bring it back with little man when he gets home from school, when we go fishing. Guys, we're back at the house. We got our crawfish, and we're gonna leave him right in here in this tire where we got some fresh rainwater, some nice wet soil. He gotta be nice and comfy, and Bucky Boy's gonna watch him for me, make sure nothing happens. We'll take him later this afternoon when Liam gets home and go check the other traps and see what happens. What's up, guys? Alec here, Caliber Outdoors. We're here with little man. We brought the lawnmower back out, and we're gonna pull out that crawfish trap. I can see it in there, guys, and we got at least 2, if not more, maybe 3 or 4. So I'm gonna jump in the water, get out that trap. Liam's gonna use some for bait, and we're gonna see what happens. Chitty chitty bang bang. Point the camera, little man. All right, guys, I'm gonna get in the water. Little man's gonna record me, so let's get that trap, see what we caught. Dun, 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 dun.
I'm keeping it where you're going.
Good job, buddy.
Dad's shivering right now. Never.
Putting it so deep now.
Oh, Oh, it's gonna look like you peed yourself. Right? Ooh.
Oh yeah, we got 4.
4 crawfish we're using for bait. Right? Dad is walking up with 4 crawfish.
There we go, guys.
Wait, they have 8 of those things. Well, I did not think that. We got some good ones.
Yeah, there's a couple big ones in there.
Oh. Ow! Let me get you. Ah. Ow! Ow, they have some choppers.
Yeah, those are some big ones. Why don't you grab the small one, use him for bait?
Which one, that one?
No, the small one under that one.
Oh. How ate these?
Yep. Why don't you throw him on the hook, use him first.
Okay.
Well, there we go, guys. That's not too shabby.
Ow.
For that trap only being out a couple hours.
They have some serious pinchers. It just pinched me. Ow.
We got 2 big boys. Stop it.
Dad,
What?
these crawfish are better. Can I take off their claws?
No.
How do I use it? Then?
Oh, look, they're fighting. Y'all play nice.
There we go. Got a crawfish on.
There you go, buddy.
That's what you want to use. Got a nice crawfish. Now let's go back where those rock bass were. Dad,
Guys, little man got him a crawfish rigged up.
Dad, get pinched.
He's
by
got it all the way on.
Dad, get
Let's
pinched.
see what he can do. Do a catch and cook later, guys. Y'all let us know in the comments if y'all want to see that. Little man wants to catch and cook some of these, so we need to get a couple more traps, get about 20 or 40 of these things, boil them up, and do it all good style. But we're not using these guys for bait, guys, so we just wanted to show you how to crawfish trap. So let's get them back in the water, little man, so they can get up and grow up and reproduce.
I don't know, hold them.
No, just dump them in the water right here.
There we go. There's one. Come on.
All right, now grab the 2 big ones, one in each hand, and let me see them. Right there, you got them. Right there behind the body. There you go. One just in each hand, just like that. Hold them up, give me a big old smile.
I need to dump it out to do it. Get over.
There you go. Perfect. There you go. Hold them up. Cheese.
Cheese.
All right, let's get them in the water.
Dad, look, they're fighting.
Y'all be nice. All right, get them in the water, little man. There we go, guys.
Where they are supposed to be.
Another day after school. We're gonna get home. We got a chicken on the smoker smoking. So we're gonna get home, warm up, get dinner ready. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. We'll see you next time.